Imagine this. The person who once left you suddenly finding themselves unable to stop thinking about you. Every thought, every desire, pulling them back toward you, but this time, you are in control. It's not a fantasy. It's a transformation rooted in deep psychological principles. In today's video, we're revealing powerful strategies that can turn the tables, making them regret ever walking away. If you've ever felt powerless after a breakup, this is your moment of empowerment. Ready to reclaim your power and ignite their desire? Let's dive in. Step 1. Prioritize your personal growth. The key to drawing someone back is not to chase after them, but to elevate yourself to a level where they have no choice but to notice. This starts with 3 essential pillars of personal growth. 1. Enhance your appearance. It's no secret that physical attraction plays a major role in romantic dynamics, but it's more than just looking good. When you prioritize your health and fitness, your body responds in ways that release endorphins, boosting your mood and confidence. Confidence, in turn, is intoxicating. Science shows that confident people exude a certain erotic energy that makes others instinctively pay attention. You become a magnet, not just for your ex, but for others who see your inner glow radiating outward. 2. Nurture mental and emotional resilience. Heartbreak can break you or make you. One of the most seductive traits is emotional strength. Research suggests that emotional stability and mindfulness not only improve mental health, but increase your attractiveness because they show you're in control of your own life. The more mentally resilient you are, the less they'll see you as the person they walked away from and more as the evolved version of yourself they never saw coming. 3. Pursue your goals with laser focus. Success is sexy. It's scientifically proven that ambition and the pursuit of personal goals make you more appealing. Whether it's career, fitness, or a passion project, make progress and make it visible. Ambition activates a primal attraction in people. They want to be part of your world when they see you striving for something greater. You become the one to chase, the one they wonder about, the one they can't stop imagining themselves next to. By investing in yourself and shifting your focus away from them, you unconsciously create a new dynamic. You're no longer the person yearning for their attention, you're becoming the person crave. Now, before we uncover step 2, please do me a quick favor. Please hit that like button. It helps us deliver more powerful wisdom. Oh, and if you haven't already, hit subscribe and tap the bell icon so you'll always stay in the loop with our latest content. Thank you so very much. Step 2, create distance and build intrigue. People are hardwired to want what they can't have. By creating distance, you activate this psychological trigger. 1. Pull back strategically. Resist the urge to constantly message or check on them. Give them space. When you pull back, you give them the mental room to wonder about you. This is known as the Zeigarnik effect, a psychological phenomenon where people remember incomplete or interrupted tasks better than completed ones. In this case, you are the unresolved chapter in their mind that keeps them thinking, what's going on with him? Why isn't he reaching out? That curiosity stirs up emotions and eventually desire. 2. Become less accessible. You are now an enigmatic presence in their world, someone they once had access to but no longer do. Fill your days with activities that excite you. Start something new. The more fulfilled you are without them, the more attractive you become. Studies on attraction reveal that scarcity increases perceived value. By becoming less available, you elevate your worth in their eyes. They can't help but fantasize about you when you're not around, their mind filling in the blanks with vivid, erotic thoughts of what they're missing. 3. Curate your online presence. This is your stage, your chance to show, not tell, how incredible your life is without them. Post about your adventures, accomplishments, and even the smallest joys that show you're thriving. Psychologically, this triggers FOMO, fear of missing out, and seeing you live a vibrant, fulfilling life without them will eat at their consciousness. Every post, every story is a subtle reminder that they are no longer part of your world. Suddenly, the tables have turned. They're the ones longing to be back in your orbit. Step 3, let them chase you. The final piece of the puzzle is understanding that this transformation is not about playing games. It's about truly becoming the best version of yourself. When you focus on personal growth, confidence, and self-worth, people around you naturally feel that change. They see you, and more importantly, They feel the distance between who you were and who you've become. Here's where it gets sensual. The moment they start reaching out, don't rush back. Let them feel the tension, the desire bubbling just beneath the surface. Let them wonder what it would be like to have you again. Not in the same way as before, but on entirely new terms. You're the prize now. Let that power simmer in your interactions, making them crave you more with each passing day. To sum it up, getting someone who left you to chase you again isn't about manipulation. It's about transformation. Remember, this isn't just a game. It's a journey to becoming your highest self. Thank you for tuning in to Psyche Institute. If this video gave you the confidence boost you needed, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the psychology of relationships, attraction, and personal power. Stay strong, stay confident, and we'll see you next time.